Hello everyone, greetings from NIE IEEE Student Branch. Myself Eamon CS and I am the campus ambassador of IEEE Xtreme 19.0 for NISP. And today I am here to introduce you and help you with the registration process of IEEE Xtreme. Firstly, what is Xtreme? Xtreme is where programmers all around the world come together to participate solo or in a team of three to solve some unique coding problems which you would have never seen before. So the concept here is each hour you will get a unique coding problem which you and your team race to solve as many as possible, fighting sleep, your mind, and all the bugs. What's in it for you? Firstly, exposure. We are talking about a global level event, so you'll get to know where you stand and what you need to increase your position. Next, upskilling. Come on, it's a test of skill. So you'll get upskilling. Thirdly, you'll get if you get a good ranking, you'll get a major boost for your resume. And not to forget all the amazing rewards which will pay up for your hard work. But don't get scared, guys. I know the pressure of the situation. So we from NISP are coming up with NISP Xtreme, a mini mock version of IEEE Xtreme to help you get familiarized with the environment which you are dealing with. So don't forget to register because you should compete with your peers first before competing with the whole world. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles and check out our WhatsApp groups for further updates. So, without further delay, let us look into the registration process. We will be guiding you step by step how to register for IEEE Xtreme.
So, to register for IEEE Extreme, you need to visit extreme.vtools.ieee.org, which is the official registration page for IEEE Extreme. If you are visiting this page for the first time, it will ask you to sign in to your IEEE account. So, let us complete that fast. So, after signing in, it will take you to this interface where where you have to go with Teams, which will lead you to the registration form of IEEE Extreme. In the beginning, you can see you have some instructions like all team members and team proctor must be IEEE members. All the fields like team member number, first and last name, email address should be filled. Once the form is submitted, any modification can only be made by team administrator or team proctor. And upon form submission, all team members and proctor will receive a registration confirmation by email. So guys, you can participate in IEEE Extreme in a team or you can also participate in solo. So let us enter a team name first. You also need to add referring ambassador ID. And ambassador ID is IEEE Extreme 19A189. So you should see M&CS over there. So next fields are your team details. If you are participating solo, then you will be the only member and you will be the team administrator. So you can add your team, you can add your IEEE number and your first and last name and email address. But if you're participating in a team, you can add your rest of the teammates details over here. So next is your school information. So you need to search for National Institute of Engineering Mysuru. But be careful guys, you need to select one with the code A20586. So you should select the left side one, not the right one. So you need to select with the code A20586. Then you can proceed by adding your location. So the last field is of proctor information. Guys, each team should have a proctor to qualify for ranking, certificate, and prizes. So proctors are those who are registered to be a proctor and hold membership higher than graduate student member or student member. So in our case, we have our faculty members who have registered as proctors to help you all. So you need to search their name, but remember you need to search with initials in the beginning. So for example, we have our Dr. Shashidhara sir, who is the branch counselor of NISB. So HR Dr. Shashidhara sir, and is guys, we also have Dr. Narender sir and Dr. Abhishek Patak sir as proctors, and we will provide all the details in the description below. So go check out and fill the form. So after submission, you will be successfully registered for IEEE Xtreme. As we know, to register for IEEE Xtreme, you need to be a IEEE member. So for those who doesn't have IEEE membership, you can become a member now by visiting our Insta page. So in our bio, you can find social.nisb.in, which will lead you to Linktree, which contains link to all our social media handle and link for applying for new membership. You can become a member and participate in IEEE Extreme. So guys, all the best for you and your team, and thank you. Make sure to like and share this video with all your fellow IEEE members so that it will help them for registering. Once again, thank you guys and see you in the competition.